apple, apple. A is for apple, A. E is for ball, ball. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. C is for cat, cock. D is for dog, dog. D is for dog, E is for elephant, elephant. E is for elephant, A. F is for frog, frog. F is for father. G is for goldfish, goldfish. G is for goldfish, H is for hog, hog. H is for hog, I is for igloo, igloo. I is for igloo, ew. J is for jail, jail. J is for jail. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. K is for kangaroo, goo. L is for lamb, lamb. L is for lamb, lamb. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for monkey, N is for nose, nose. N is for nose, O is for octopus, octopus. Octopus, O is for octopus, P is for pillow, pillow. P is for pillow, Q is for quilt, quilt. Q is for quilt, quack. R is for rain, rain. R is for rain. S is for snowman, snowman. S is for snowman, T is for train, train. T is for train, U is for umbrella, umbrella. U is for umbrella, V is for vase, vase. V is for vases, W is for wagon, wagon. W is for wagon, X is for x-ray, x-ray. X is for x-ray, kiss. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo, yo. Is for zebras, zebras. Is for zebras.
A is for alligator, 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 alligator. B is for bear, bear. C is for cat, cat. D is for duck, duck. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. S for flamingo, flamingo. Flamingo. G is for goat, goat. G goat. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. J is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. Kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. And mouse. N is for mouse, mama mouse. And mouse. N is for newt, nana newt. And newt. O is for ostrich, ostrich.
P is for pig, pig.
E is for quail, quail. R is for rhino, rhino. S is for snake, snake. Snake. T is for tiger, to tiger. Yeah, to tiger. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for Varanus, Varanus. W is for whale, whale. W. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish. For yak. Zebra. One little number standing in the sun. Clap, oh we're having fun.
Two little numbers dancing side by side.
let's enjoy the ride.
Why? Count with me nice and slow. Watch those numbers as they grow. Clap your hands then touch your toes. That's the way our counting goes. Three little numbers spinning all around.
Spin, spin, spin till we touch the ground. Four little numbers waving to the crowd.
Wave, 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 let's all sing loud. Count with me nice and slow. Watch those numbers as they grow. Jump up high then wiggle your nose. That's the way our counting goes.
Five little numbers dancing in a line. Come on!
Step, 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 feeling mighty fine. Numbers all together, shout, yay for you!
Now let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, so!
Count with me fast and slow. Watch those numbers as they go. Laugh out loud, then strike a pose. That's the way our counting goes. 1, 2, 3, wave to me.
4, 5, high five.
Numbers say we'll see you soon.
Counting's always fun with you.
Ooh. A is for alligator, snap your jaws wide. B is for bear, stomp side to side. C is for cat, stretch and purr. D is for dog, wag your tail and stir. E is for elephant, swing your trunk around. F is for frog, hop up and down. G is for giraffe, reach up high. H is for horse, gallop and neigh. I is for iguana, crawl on the floor. J is for jaguar, leap and roar. K is for kangaroo, jump with glee. L is for lion, roar fiercely. M is for monkey, swing in the tree. N is for nightingale, sing with me. O is for owl, hoot in the night. P is for penguin, waddle in delight. Q is for quail, quick and small. R is for rabbit, hop and call. S is for snake, slither and hiss. T is for tiger, pounce with bliss. U is for umbrella bird, flap your wings. V is for vulture, soar in rings. W is for whale, splash in the sea. X is for x-ray fish, swim with glee. Y is for yak, trot along. Z is for zebra, stride strong. A is for apple, A apple. A is for apple, A is for ball, ball. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. C is for cat, cock. D is for dog, dog. D is for dog, E is for elephant, elephant. E is for elephant, F is for frog, frog. F is for frog. G is for goldfish, goldfish. G is for goldfish, H just for hog, hog. H just for hog, I is for igloo, igloo. I is for igloo, eel. J is for jail, jail. J is for jail, jail. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. K is for kangaroo, goo. L is for lamb, lamb. L is for lamb, lamb. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for monkey, N is for nose, nose. N is for nose, O is for octopus, octopus. Open octopus, O is for octopus, P is for pillow,
shapes and blocks of learning gear. Look at this block, it's a square so neat.
Four sides the same and corners meet.
It stacks up strong in a sturdy pile. Let's sing and build with a giant smile.
Here comes a circle, round and bright. Rolls on the floor, what a funny sight.
No corners here, just spin and play. Learning shapes the fun block way. Blocks of color, blocks of shape. Let's all build, dance and create. Circle, square and triangle too. Learning shapes is fun with you.
Triangle time with three sharp
It
sides.
stands so proud it never hides.
Pointy like a mountain tall.
Stack it next, don't let it fall.
Rectangle joins with a longer face.
Two sides short, two sides race.
It builds a door or a robot's arm.
Blocks can turn into any charm. Blocks of color, blocks of shape. Let's all build, dance and create. Circle, square and triangle too. Learning shapes is fun with you. Blocks of color, blocks of shape. Let's all build, dance and create. Circle, square and triangle too. Learning shapes is fun with you.
Hey little friends, come sing with me.
We're going on an ABC adventure.
Whee!
Clap your hands and tap your feet. Learning letters is such a treat. A is for apple, apple, sweet and red raw.
B is for banana, banana. Peel it and spread and bar.
C is for cake, cake, yummy and round guiny.
D is for duck, duck. Quack, quack sounding.
E is for elephant, elephant, big and strong D.
F is for fish, fish. Swimming along when D.
G is for guitar, guitar, strum and sing wine.
H is for hat, hat. Wear it in spring, gine.
Ho, A, B, C, sing with me. Letters are fun as fun can be. Clap, dance, hop around. Learning makes the best sound. I is for igloo, igloo.
Icy and white toast.
J is for juice, juice, cold and bright light. K is for kitten, kitten, soft and smallies.
L is for lemon, lemon, sour for all.
M is for mittens, mittens, warm in the snow.
N is for nest, and in the nest where baby birds grow.
O is for orange, orange, juicy and sweet.
P is for pig, pig, oink, oink, treat.
O, A, B, C, sing with me. Letters are fun as fun can be. Spin, jump, twirl around. Learning makes the best sound. Q is for queen, queen wearing her crown.
R is for ring, ring, round and brown.
S is for socks, socks warm on your feet.
T is for teddy bear, teddy, cuddly and sweet.
U is for umbrella, umbrella keeps rain away.
V is for vegetables, for veggies, healthy every day.
W is for wolf, wolf howling at night.
X is for xylophone, xylophone, colors so bright.
Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo up and down.
Z is for zippers, zipper, zip it all around.
All A, B, C,